Hello everybody, welcome to Planet of Play. Today we're going to be making pumpkin spice slime. First thing we want to do is get some glue. It can be clear or white glue. We're going to take a bunch and pour it in our bowl. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. Then we will take some saline solution and we're going to put some in there. We have an orange paint, so let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe a couple more drops of orange paint. The last ingredient is baking soda. Mix it all together. Ooh, I can see the slime forming. Look, slimy. Okay, here it is. Our super duper amazing slime. Whoa, super stretchy. Super satisfying and smells so good, just like pumpkin spice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fun.